a Makki surah and the ayahs are three. Name of the surah is Surah Al-Asr. Yes, and it's a Makki surah. Ayahs are only three in the surah. So very famous and the easiest surah. Just read after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal Asr. Ra will be heavy here when we pause. Wal Asr. Asr. Yes, make sure you're making the raw sound. Wal Asr. Good. Innal insana. You heard it right. I just skip the sound of noon and hide it a little bit because this is a ikfa sound here. Insana. Good. Lafi khusr. Yes, ra will be heavy here as well. And a kha is also a heavy letter. Khusr. Good. Illa alladhina. Yes. Amanu. Stretch the a sound because of a standing zibr. And nu as well because of a waw madda. Wa'amilus salihati. Sol is also a heavy letter, so you have to read it in a heavy sound. Watawa. We'll need to stretch the waw here because of alif madda. And what is alif madda? A zabr before an alif. So this is called alif madda. So we'll have to stretch for a second. Watawa. So read it together. Watawa. So bil Yes, you can hear that. Have to read with the force. Bil haqqi. Yes. You can pause here as well, or you cannot pause as well. It's up to you. Both are good. Watawasaw bis sabr. Yes. Bis sabr. Yes. Ba sound will bounce back and you have to take a pause on the letter ra. Bis sabr. Yeah. Watawasaw bis sabr. So the easiest surah, ayahs are three. Practice, follow for more.